and get just a little bit and go into details. We see a lot like I did with Golden Touch. Another way we can do that. I love them both. I don't know how about you, but we can do so many different way with the veins. Okay, I need to get closer. Happy Thursday, everyone. How everyone doing? Thank you so much for tuning in to Every Night with me. I love the design that Sarah did earlier. So beautiful. So I'm going to clear for 30 seconds for this one. And here the piece of gold foil. I get it from a designer's set. Like a lot of you, like, this is really stunning because I can't wait to using that hollows like rose in here as well. We did quite a few designs on that one. Foxy, I love there. It's cute and not dry. Hey Maya, you are back. All right, so just give it, move this on away. Give it a good pressures. Ooh, it's so beautiful. Lady Chop, what side of the brush is the best brush to use? What brush, sweetie? Is that acrylic brush? Thank you so much, Ibani. Ladies, are you asking about the brush for acrylic, sweetie? Look at how it transfers completely. Premium iHo transfer foil. And now, if you're done, you can just top coat it and put some crystal on top coat and you'll be done. Well, I mean, if you don't want any crystal, and you can just top coat and you're completely done. But I want to put some sticker on it. See how it's going to turn out with me. Let me see. I would like that one in gold though, but it's stunning. Hey, we want to give it a try and see how it turned out. Oh, I like it. It's so cool, so simple, easy. You can do gold. I think this one looks good with gold as well. Should I put some crystals on? I can do some crystal right here. I'm still waiting for you. Yeah, I'm gonna give it, take a look in just a minute. If you say that, okay, Nancy, do some crystal in there. Right there. Okay, let me put some crystals on it. I am going to using our condensed glue gels. Really thick densities. It's not gonna go anywhere. It's gonna be staying right there. And this is really cool things about this awesome stickers that I can like encapsulating with the condensed glue gels. Hold and tie the nails. And the first time if you're using our condensed glue gels, it's just normal. When you're seeing it is really thick density, which is normal. Just blend it nicely and it will really keep your crystal charm chains 3D flat back in one place. And I'm going to using a no wipe top coat in our 3 steps methods. So condensed glue gel, no wipe top coat, and precision glue. It will keep your crystal in one place and it's not going anywhere. But the clients come back and they're still there. And the crystal is still there. They just need to get a new one. But it's not gonna come up within, you know, like 3 weeks of wearing. I really like that one. So I am picking this colors. I'm a little bit of want some color and see how it's gonna turn out with me here. Should I do some like multi-colors on this one or just stick it in one colors? I wanted some bright colors though. But you can do however you want this look. You can do like you can do different colors of crystal, I mean. Oh, I love it when I keep like finding more colors I want. Let me see. There's so many, and this is come from the anniversary kit. That's it. Hey Chantella, you just need to do is just place the stickers on. The stickers are pre-adhesive, sweetie. So you just place them on and that's it. It will stay blending on really nicely. There's no lumpies at all. And then you just apply condensed glue gels and that's how I start putting crystals on. So I am going to using some gold beads, but I think I want to do obsidian beads. This one look good, but I like to be obsidian to make it look brighter. I'm proud of it. Let me try obsidian, how it turned out. Looks good. I think I like the obsidians better than gold. Just give it a little bit contrast, you know. Oh, I like that. But if you don't want any crystals on, you just top coat and then you'll be good. Well, I mean, if you don't want the stickers on, then just like put it on and top coat. Condensed glue gel, top coat and cure, and you'll be done. If you want more here, you can't. If you want like just little hints of your crystals here, think it looks good. That's a red. Okay, I think I'm good. I was like, otherwise, you guys, I'm gonna cover everything. You don't gonna see anything at all because I can't stop. Oh, looks good. There is special request for a lot of you in asking for doing a fusion ink. We have a lot of clients who are getting a fusion inks and we're asking for more design with fusion ink. So this is special request is all for you. And Sarah earlier, she did beautiful with gel painting, is phenomenal. Okay, great. So I think I'm good. I am going to clear this under the LED lights for 60 seconds. Facebook? Okay. Let me see if I'm missing any ones. I got some nail set sample and then here, let me put this one here because we want to work on this one next. Ah, sorry. Oh, let me see, do I miss something? Hold on. My stuff doesn't look like this. I quit. Your stuff doesn't look like this. I mean, your nails looks. Oh, thank you so much, Gothic. Oh, ladies, acrylic brush is size 12 and size 14. Sorry if I missed it. And now I'm gonna do is double secure. And I am going to do a little exam first. I can't like really, you know, like describe how much I appreciate for this because we used to doing all crystals and it looks so gorgeous, like bam 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 pictures, right? But then clients go home, they start getting catching on it, and a lot of them like, I love it, but Nancy, it's just like catching on my hair and I have to do like stuff at home, whatever, right? So now I do not have to worry about, in fact, that we have so many more clients love wearing crystals on their nails. It's not only it's really beautiful, also it's like really practical for them. Cure for 60 seconds after precision glue, and this nail's gonna be done.